Paris, a city that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries, drawing artists, writers, and dreamers to its cobbled streets and charming cafes. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the grand boulevards, Paris is a feast for the senses. Join us now as we embark on a cinematic journey through this enchanting city, uncovering its secrets and experiencing its magic. What is it about Paris that continues to draw visitors from around the globe? Perhaps it's the city's rich history, a tapestry woven from Roman settlements to revolutionary upheavals. Or maybe it's the undeniable romance of Paris, the way the city seems to whisper tales of love and passion amidst its charming cafes and moonlit bridges. Whatever the reason, Paris holds a timeless allure, drawing us in with its beauty, elegance, and undeniable charm. Our journey will take us beyond the typical tourist trails, delving into the heart of Parisian life. We'll wander through charming neighborhoods, discovering local markets and cozy cafes. Get ready to experience Paris through a cinematic lens, capturing its beauty, history, and culture. Our story begins long before the Eiffel Tower graced the Parisian skyline. Imagine a time when Paris was but a humble fishing village, known as Lutetia by the Celtic Parisi tribe. The Romans conquered the settlement in 52 BC, renaming it Lutetia Parisiorum. Under Roman rule, the city flourished, expanding beyond the Ile de la Cité. The seeds of the Paris we know today were sown during the medieval period, transforming Paris into a major religious and intellectual center. As centuries passed, Paris became a beacon of art and culture during the Renaissance. Grand palaces and gardens, like the Tuileries Garden, showcased the opulent tastes of the French monarchy. The French Revolution, beginning in 1789, forever altered the course of Parisian history. The storming of the Bastille marked the beginning of a new era for France and its capital city. From the ashes of revolution arose a city determined to embrace modernity. Napoleon Bonaparte left his mark on Paris with grand projects like the Arc de Triomphe. The 19th century saw unprecedented growth, with Baron Haussmann's urban planning reshaping the city. Paris became synonymous with innovation, creativity, and a certain joie de vivre. No trip to Paris is complete without standing in the shadow of the Eiffel Tower. Designed by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 World's Fair, it was initially met with skepticism. Little did they know it would become one of the most beloved structures in the world. Ascending to its 3 levels offers breathtaking views of Paris, especially enchanting at sunset. The tower's intricate latticework, illuminated at night, has inspired countless artists and dreamers. From one iconic landmark to another, we journey to the Louvre Museum. Prepare to be captivated by a collection of art and artifacts spanning millennia. No visit to the Louvre is complete without standing before Leonardo da Vinci's enigmatic Mona Lisa. But don't let the allure of the Mona Lisa eclipse the museum's other treasures like the Winged Victory of Samothrace. The Louvre offers a journey through art history, from ancient civilizations to the Renaissance. Rising from the Ile de la Cité, Notre-Dame Cathedral stands as a testament to the city's enduring spirit. This masterpiece of Gothic architecture has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. While a devastating fire in 2019 caused significant damage, efforts to restore Notre-Dame are well underway. Notre-Dame remains an integral part of the Parisian landscape, a symbol of hope and creativity. Perched atop the highest point in Paris, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica stands as a beacon of white stone. This basilica offers breathtaking views of the city, especially at sunset. Montmartre, the bohemian neighborhood that surrounds it, retains its artistic charm. Wander through Montmartre's winding, cobbled streets, encountering quaint shops and hidden gardens. From the vineyards of Montmartre to the Musée de Montmartre, there's something to captivate every visitor. No exploration of Parisian landmarks would be complete without a stroll down the Champs-Élysées. This grand boulevard is a shopper's paradise, lined with luxury boutiques and elegant cafes. At the western end stands the Arc de Triomphe, a symbol of French national pride. Climb to its top for panoramic views of the city, tracing the 12 avenues that radiate outwards. Whether you're window shopping or enjoying a coffee, the Champs-Élysées is an experience not to be missed. For a different perspective on Paris's iconic landmarks, embark on a leisurely cruise along the Seine River. As you glide beneath historic bridges, you'll be treated to stunning views of the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and Notre-Dame. Seine River cruises are available throughout the day and evening, each offering a different ambiance. Whether you choose a daytime cruise for sightseeing or an evening cruise for a romantic outing, a journey along the Seine is unforgettable. Hidden in plain sight on the Ile de la Cité lies Sainte-Chapelle, a hidden gem of Gothic architecture. This royal chapel is renowned for its extraordinary stained glass windows. Step inside and be enveloped in a kaleidoscope of colors as sunlight streams through the windows. The chapel's architecture, with its soaring vaulted ceilings and delicate stonework, creates an atmosphere of serenity and wonder. To truly understand Paris, one must venture beyond its grand landmarks and immerse oneself in the city's unique rhythm. Parisians have a knack for savoring life's simple pleasures, finding beauty in everyday moments. It's in the way they stroll along the Seine at sunset or linger over coffee at a sidewalk cafe. Cafes are more than just places to grab a quick coffee, they're extensions of Parisians' living rooms. Embrace the Parisian art de vivre by wandering through local markets, selecting fresh produce for a picnic lunch, and admiring the city's architecture. Paris is a city that tantalizes all the senses, but none more so than taste. French cuisine is renowned worldwide for its sophistication, its emphasis on fresh, high-quality ingredients, and its ability to transform a simple meal into a culinary masterpiece. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy bistros, Paris offers a dining experience for every taste and budget. Start your day like a true Parisian with a croissant or pain au chocolat from a local boulangerie. The aroma of freshly baked bread alone is enough to make your mouth water. For lunch, indulge in a croque monsieur, a classic French ham and cheese sandwich, or savor a steaming bowl of onion soup gratiné. And for dinner, the options are endless. From traditional French cuisine, such as coq au vin or bœuf bourguignon, to international flavors from around the world. Of course, no culinary journey through Paris would be complete without sampling the city's exceptional wines. France is renowned for its vineyards, and Paris offers a chance to taste your way through the country's diverse wine regions. Whether you prefer a crisp Sauvignon Blanc, a full-bodied Bordeaux, or a celebratory Champagne, there's a French wine to suit every palate. While Paris's iconic landmarks beckon with their grandeur, the city's true charm often lies hidden in plain sight, tucked away on quiet streets and along forgotten canals. To truly experience Paris like a local, one must venture beyond the well-trodden tourist trails and uncover the city's hidden gems. Those special places where time seems to stand still, and the Parisian art de vivre flourishes. Imagine strolling along the Canal Saint-Martin, a picturesque waterway that winds its way through the 10th arrondissement. Once a bustling industrial thoroughfare, the canal has undergone a remarkable transformation, its banks now lined with trendy cafes, vintage boutiques, and leafy walkways. On sunny days, locals gather along the canal's edge, enjoying picnics, impromptu musical performances, or simply basking in the tranquility of this urban oasis. For a glimpse into the city's colorful past, lose yourself in the Marais district, a historic neighborhood that has miraculously retained its medieval charm. Wander through its labyrinthine streets, discovering hidden courtyards, artisan workshops, and elegant mansions, each whispering tales of a bygone era. The Marais is also home to a vibrant Jewish community, with traditional bakeries and falafel shops adding to the neighborhood's unique character. Explore the Promenade Plantée, a unique elevated park in Paris's 12th arrondissement. Enjoy views of the Bastille Opera House, the Seine River, and Paris rooftops. Stroll its paths, relax with a book, or enjoy the tranquility. Visit Musée Rodin, a serene sanctuary for Auguste Rodin's works. See masterpieces like The Thinker, The Kiss, and The Gates of Hell. Discover Paris's hidden gems in Les Passages Couverts. These 19th-century arcades feature charming boutiques and cafes. Paris, with its timeless allure, beckons travelers from around the globe, each seeking their own Parisian experience. To ensure your journey is as seamless and enchanting as the city itself, a little planning goes a long way. First, consider the best time to visit, as Paris, like a fine wine, reveals its nuances with the changing seasons. Spring from April to May and fall from September to October are often considered the most idyllic times to visit, with pleasant temperatures, blooming gardens, and fewer crowds compared to the peak summer months. However, each season paints Paris in a different light, from the vibrant hues of autumn foliage to the cozy charm of winter markets. When it comes to accommodations, Paris offers a wide array of options, from grand hotels with views of the Eiffel Tower to charming boutique hotels tucked away on quiet side streets. Consider your budget and desired location, and book in advance, especially if traveling during peak season. And don't forget to pack comfortably, as Parisians are known for their love of walking, and you'll want to be prepared to explore the city's charming streets on foot. Paris is a remarkably walkable city, with each arrondissement offering its own distinct character and hidden gems. The metro, with its iconic Art Nouveau entrances, is efficient and easy to navigate. The bus system offers a scenic way to see the city from street level. For a true Parisian experience, hop on a Vélib and pedal along the Seine. Basic French phrases will enhance your interactions with locals. Approach each encounter with a smile and an open mind. As our cinematic journey through Paris draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of wonder, a feeling that we've only just scratched the surface of this multifaceted city. Paris is not a destination to be checked off a list. It's a city to be savored, explored at your own pace, with each step revealing a new layer of its rich tapestry. It's the city where you can wander aimlessly, losing yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Latin Quarter, stumbling upon hidden courtyards and charming cafes, as if they were placed there just for you. It's where you can spend hours browsing the shelves of an antique bookstore, discovering literary treasures you never knew existed, their pages whispering tales of a bygone era. And it's where, at the end of a long day of exploration, you can find solace in a simple meal shared with loved ones at a sidewalk cafe, the city lights twinkling around you like fireflies, the sound of laughter and conversation filling the air. Paris is more than just a city. It's a state of mind, a journey for the soul. It's a place where you can shed your inhibitions, embrace the unexpected, and rediscover the beauty in the everyday. It's a city that challenges you to slow down, to savor the moment, to appreciate the simple pleasures that life has to offer. Whether you're drawn to its grand landmarks, its world-class museums, or its hidden alleyways, Paris has a way of working its magic on you, leaving an imprint on your heart long after you've bid farewell to its charming streets. So, go ahead, book that ticket, pack your bags, and lose yourself in the city of lights. Let Paris seduce you with its beauty, its history, and its undeniable joie de vivre. For in the heart of this enchanting city, you might just discover a part of yourself you never knew existed. Paris awaits, ready to welcome you with open arms and a whisper of bienvenue.